Hello, today we will guide you through how to write a research paper in Overleaf using Claude AI. In this short walkthrough, we'll focus on the basic starting process for using Claude to help you generate a research paper draft that you can later use in Overleaf. The goal here is to get a clean response from the AI by starting a new chat, entering a clear prompt, and then submitting it correctly. Even though these are simple actions, doing them carefully helps you get better results right from the beginning. To begin, open Claude and go to the new chat page. Starting with a new chat is useful because it gives you a fresh workspace with no previous context mixed in. That means Claude can focus only on the research paper request you're about to provide. If you already have older chats in your account, creating a new one helps keep this project organized and avoids confusion later. Once you're on the new chat screen, click into the message box and enter a sample prompt about writing a research paper in Overleaf. This is the step where you tell Claude exactly what kind of help you want. Try to make your prompt clear and specific so the response is more useful. For example, you may want Claude to help create a research paper structure, generate LaTeX-ready content, or organize sections such as the introduction, methodology, results, and conclusion. The clearer your wording is, the easier it will be for Claude to produce something you can work with efficiently. As you type, keep in mind that AI tends to respond better when the request includes the format or outcome you want. Since this workflow is intended for Overleaf, it helps to mention that you want the response in a style that can be adapted into research paper format. This can save time later when you move the material into your document editor. After entering the prompt, review it briefly to make sure it says what you mean and doesn't include anything unnecessary. Then once you're ready, press Enter to submit the request. Claude will begin generating a response based on your prompt, and this output can serve as the starting point for your paper draft. That's the initial setup process. By opening a new chat, entering a focused prompt, and submitting it properly, you create a strong foundation for writing your research paper with AI assistance. From there, you can refine the content and prepare it for use in Overleaf.